Hi, my name is Lee. I'm 20 years old and my hometown in Bắc Ninh. I live in a small house about 7 kilometers uh, from the town center. My family has 3 people, my parents and me. My parents are workers in a tobacco factory. My mother makes light industries specialty about manufacturing tobacco products, and my dad is a driver. His job was to carry goods distributing for agents in nationwide. This year my mother is 50 years old and father is 54 years old. I live mostly with my mother because my father had to work away. Usually my dad only at home 10 days in a month. So my family very go out together. I spend more time for my mom as go out, go shopping, or visiting people. My breadwinner in my family is the mother. I think so, because my mom care and decision everything in my family. My mom very strict with me. I do anything I must ask her. Perhaps I don't like my mom wanted. So my parents are not proud of me. In my family, I like hun- mother mother than dad. I like mom than dad because my mom take care of me more. My lifestyle are as simple as possible. We don't love complex because maybe my life family still difficult, and at the moment I live in a boring house because I must study from I must study away from house. At the weekend, Saturday and Sunday, I will come home. Although my life family is little difficult. I live in a small house, and my parents are very strict. But I love my house, especially my mom. I think I don't need to live in a big house in a big family. Despite sometimes I feel humdrum life. Thanks for listening.